Alright, here's our storm update. It's, shit, I'm just closing up for the night. It's 10 o'clock. So, we're getting a lot of wind out here right now. Those trees up there are blowing fairly good. See, it gusts up pretty good right there. There you go. That's getting some 30-mile-an-hour wind blowing on them things up there. Down here, we're only about 10 or 15. No rain. Rain's gone. So, those trees over there are blowing around a little bit. Yep. All we got's wind. Little light wind. Where's my light at? There's light. Does that help any of the tree? Not much. So, oh well. Those trees are definitely blowing way up there. Yeah, you get up there, or whatever that is, 60, 70 feet up, there's wind. Down here, we ain't got much. Oh well, there you go. Storm is blowing through. We'll see how much rain we got. I'm guessing less than 3/4 of an inch, probably more like a half. We'll find out. There wasn't much, I know that. So, there you go. We still got areas of shop that aren't wet. Oh, that thing finally got wet all the way over there. Not right there, though. Yeah. Took a while. Alright, well there you go. Hilary is a bust again. There you go. They're up here in the front of the house where the wind's more blowing. So you can see the trees over there are blowing a lot harder on this side of the street. The wind is blowing. It's a blowing. So the big ones up there aren't blowing too bad, but blow a little bit. Wind's blowing that way. Blowing to the north. So there you go. Yeah, they're definitely a little bit more blowing of the trees around here. But no wind damage. All the junk is still sitting there. Yeah. Alright, well we're done. I gotta get some work done tonight. Well, it looks like I stand corrected. I just watched the weather report and they're saying it's going to be windy all night and get another 1/10 of an inch of rain. Yeah, well the wind's already died down. It's been a half hour. So it's over here. Maybe 45 minutes. So there you go. It's 11 o'clock at night now. No, not quite 11. And the wind is not blowing much. So it's pretty well dead around this area. So San Diego, they claim that we got a lot of rain. Most places had 1 1/4 inches to 1 3/4 inches. Some places got 2 and 3, but mostly it's that. And they conveniently left out San Diego, which is here. So that's probably because we didn't even get that much rain. So anyway, it's still a bust. They claim it's still worth calling a tropical storm because one place they got 30-mile-an-hour wind in the county. Our county is 90 miles wide, 80 90 miles wide. Somewhere in that area they had a damn 45-mile wind. Last week, or a week and a half back, they had 90-mile-an-hour winds out in the mountains when the Santa Ana went through. So I'm not concerned about, 40-mile-an-hour wind. Big deal. So there you go. The airplanes are flying up backwards, which means the wind's blowing the wrong direction. So you can hear it going now. It's up in the clouds up there, so you can't see it, but it's up there. Anyway, the wind is pretty much done around here. So there he is. I saw the light up there. Yeah, it peeked through a cloud. So anyway, it's pretty much done. It's getting pretty dry out here. It hasn't rained in a long time. There ain't gonna be no more 1/10 of an inch. So I'd say we probably got a little over 1 inch, but ain't more than that. No damn way. So there you go. It's still a bust.